everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up a new subscription, and it's really different from any subscription we've opened on our channel. This is called the Pure Box. So this was sent to me kindly free for review. I agreed to it because I think it's different, something we've never seen, and also I think maybe some of you guys would benefit from this, or you have some loved ones that would as well. So what Pure Box is, it gives you supplements to help you achieve fitness goals. And I know, like, from my own friends and family, some of them, like the gym rats, you know, like they're always at the gym and stuff. They always have those like powders and stuff. They're always about like making sure they have enough protein and all of that stuff. Creatine, I don't even know. It's a new world for me, but yeah, so I think this would be a great box for someone like that, but we will see what's inside. On the box it says, take something that does something. So when you sign up, you fill out a profile and you kind of tell them like what you want to do, like if you want to build muscle, do you want to lose weight. I told them I chose like the burn plan or something, so that would be like you want to burn more calories, lose more weight, like get in shape. Because I definitely could use that. And then you let them know if you have any like allergens or anything like that, anything like items or vitamins you want to avoid, and you also tell them what kind of activities you usually do, and then they curate a box and send it to you. So I'm gonna link their profile down below, or their website down below, so you can check it out and see all of the options they have available. And the prices range based on the box you choose. They did give me a promo code to save you $10 off your first box. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. They just provided that kindly for you guys to save some money if you are interested. So yeah, all that information will be down below. I'm also going to link down below a giveaway I have going on. At the time I'm filming this, I have one, but there may be even more than one by the time this video is posted because I'm pre-filming a little bit. So if you haven't entered my giveaways, I always leave them down in the description box, like underneath the link for the box I am discussing and opening. So anyways, let's get started and see what's in this box. I'm so curious. Oh, and I wrote down here, if you're curious about like the pricing, I wrote down pricing starts at $24.99 a month. And again, you can save $10 with my code. So when I open it up, this is what I see. There's some paper on top. Let's look at that first, and then supplements underneath. So it says, welcome, thank you for your purchase. Inside this pamphlet contains information about your customized products. What's next? Inside contains a full month of each product. At the end of the month, you can keep your box the same or reformulate. If you'd like to keep things the same, simply sit back and we will send the same products. If you wish to switch things up or discuss options, reach out to us at mybox@pureboxnutrition.com before your next box ships. Your next box generally ships 25 days after your first purchase. And then it says if you have any additional questions or comments, please do not hesitate to email us at the same email. Thank you for letting us join you on your fitness journey. And then, like I said, I chose the burn plan. So it talks about that there. Talks about each of the items that come inside. Let's read the story first. So this is about the founder. So after spending my entire adult life working in the supplement industry, I decided selling expensive, complicated, and seemingly magic products wasn't a career path I wanted to continue. These were not the products I recommended to friends and family. They were certainly not the products I spent years researching and testing for my own benefit. Advertisements and social influencers have, unfortunately, turned consumers away from proven, evidence-based supplements. My mission for Pure Box is to offer a unique experience to learn and use products that have a true purpose. I won't promise you magic effects or quick results, but I will promise these products were made to work, not to be sold. Dan Kimball, the founder. And look, they actually signed it. So inside it looks like we have 3 different supplements. So the first one I'm pulling out, this is by Pure Box Nutrition, the multivitamin. So it has vitamin and mineral supplement. It's made out of ultra absorbable liquid capsule. There's 60 liquid capsules in here. And it says you take 2 of them a day. Oops. So yeah, I think this is just like a general multivitamin, which I really should start using. I'm kind of bad about that. I know like you should try and get your like vitamins through food, but that's not always easy. So let's look at the sheet that says multi. So it says key features. This is a full dose vitamin and mineral complex. It's in a liquid capsule. The purpose of this, it says the best way to think of a multivitamin is a nutritional insurance. Nutritional deficiencies can prevent you from a maximum efficiency with any goal. Multi ensures no micronutrient stones go unturned. It is important to note that a bad diet with a multivitamin is still a bad diet. Multi should be used as a tool to maximize your effort and not replace it. Directions: take 2 capsules daily, preferably with a meal. And I just remember I was going to say this in the beginning, but whenever you start any supplements or anything like that, definitely consult with your doctor first, especially if you're on other medications. So just want to throw that disclaimer out there. It's the pharmacist in me. But looking at the ingredients in here, this does look like it's a good standard multivitamin, so awesome. It does have a gelatin capsule, so if you don't have gelatin, that's one thing to consider, but everything else looks pretty good. So there's all your general vitamins in there, and then it has like a fruit and vegetable blend as well. All right, so let's move on to the next one. All right, so this is Burn. And it's a Burn Thermogenic Fat Burner, Energy Metabolism Fat Burn. You get 60 capsules in here. And in it you get green coffee bean extract, raspberry ketone, Garcinia cambogia extract, caffeine, and green tea extract. Not bad. I've heard such good things about green coffee bean, but it's been a while since I heard about it. Was that just like a phase? But let's see what they say. So I already said the key features of what's inside it. And then the purpose, it says thermogenics have 3 goals. 1, to increase metabolism, otherwise considered like calorie burn. 2, control appetite. And 3, improve energy level while dieting. While most thermogenics containing green coffee and green tea have extraordinary calorie burning claims, a realistic metabolism boost would be about 10 to 20%. Simply put, Burn makes it easier to achieve a caloric deficit by lowering calorie consumption and increasing energy expenditure. So the directions, it says take 2 capsules daily, can be taken together or be split into 2, 1 capsule serving 2 to 5 hours apart. Do not take within 6 hours of sleep, and that's probably because there's a caffeine component to this. So, all right, cool. And then the last thing in here, the CLA Body Composition Support Non-Stimulant Fat Loss. This is 60 gel caps in there. And this just contains the CLA complex, which is 80% conjugated linoleic acid from safflower oil. So CLA is an omega-6 fatty acid that has been shown to increase lipase, which is the main enzyme that breaks down fat cells. Once fat is broken down to fatty acids, it is available to be used as energy. The goal of CLA supplementation is to increase the amount of fat being used as an energy source, lowering body fat and conserving muscle mass. CLA increases fat burning efficiency during workouts, making it the ideal supplement for athletes trying to lower body fat and retain strength. Directions: take 2 capsules daily, can be taken together or split into 2, 1 capsule servings, ideally with breakfast and before bed. Cool. So that was everything that came in the box. I really like that they explained everything. They talked about the key features, the purpose, and the directions, which I think is great. And everything seems like maybe I can examine this a little further, but looking at it, it doesn't seem like anything concerning. Like these do seem like they'd be effective at doing their job. But again, if you want to start something like this, consult your doctor, make sure there's no interactions with any medications you're taking and all of that. But I think that's great they include a multivitamin. And then, yeah, the Burn, thermogenic fat burning, and then also the fatty acids, the body composition support. I think this is a great little mixture of things, and it was nice hearing their story. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Are you guys like doing any fitness or wellness routine? Maybe like this will help jumpstart like any New Year's resolutions, because it's kind of crazy that's not too far away. I've been trying really hard to get more into fitness and be healthier. I don't know why I just have such a struggle with like keeping up with a workout plan. I'll be like so good for a week or two and then I stop. So hopefully like maybe if I try this, it will motivate me to work out more or just get my mindset in the right place. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts. Have you guys tried anything like this before? Do you know anyone that would enjoy this as a gift? Again, I'm going to link their website down below along with that promo code to save $10. And check out their website because they have other plans too. Like if you're trying to like gain muscle and all that stuff, they have those options. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. Oh, and don't forget to enter my giveaways. Forgot to remind you again. But I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.